We will make this compound column, which consists of a number of columns, to form a tree-like structure. The special thing about this is that in plan all the columns are confined within the periphery, although their heights are different. This consists of an adaptive family. Create a new file adaptive type. At the ref level, place 3 points and make them adaptive. Join with a spline. Make the line a reference line by checking inside the box is reference line. Place a point over it and set a vertical plane at the point. Place a circle over it and assign a new radius parameter to it. Make the circle line a reference line. Hold everything and copy and paste at the screen. Hold the point and pick new host and place it at the line again. Change the normalized curve perimeter of the points to either 1 or 0 to place them at the endpoints. Assign a new radius parameter to the second circle. Hold the two circles along with the line and create a form. Write R2 is equal to R1 divided by 2. Hold the form and assign a new material parameter. Create a new file conceptual mass type. At any one of the elevations, add 3 more levels. Change the unit to meters. Change the levels as shown here. At level 1, draw a circle at the intersection of 2 planes. Hold the circle and check inside the box center mark visible. Align the center mark with both the planes and lock. Select the circle and paste it on the clipboard, and from there paste to all the levels 2, 3, and 4. Delete the circle at the level 1. That was actually not needed. Align the center mark with the planes and lock. Do this for all the circles one by one. Assign a new radius parameter for each circle. Hold the circles and divide path, and also create a number parameter for all the 3 circles. Go back to the first file and load it into this file. Place the component at 3 points as shown and hold the component and press repeat. Go back and change all the properties to instance properties and reload into the second file. Create the associate parameters in the second file for R1 and material. Write R1 is equal to pi multiplied by rad at LVL2 divided by n. Assign material as required. Change the n to 6. Place 1 point each at the points on the circle at level 4. Create a slanting surface by placing 2 lines at different levels. Make a new level at which the higher line is placed. Change the view range so that we can see the view below this level. Hold the lines and create a surface. Hold the repeated component and click Remove Repeater. Select the reference point and uncheck the box driven by host, and with up key on the keyboard move it upwards. Tab through and select the adaptive point 3 and press the Pick New Host and place on the reference point. Move up with the up key till the slanting surface is reached.